The PNP clarifies the process is still ongoing for the purchase of firearms for the police force. The clarification followed the reported delivery of thousands of guns to the PNP prior to the signing of a contract for the firearms deal. More from Alvin Baltazar.
No done deal. This was the statement issued today by the Philippine National Police in the wake of Agham Party List Representative Angelo Palmones' revelation that about 28,000 delivery of Glock guns was made this past September 4 after a contract reportedly was approved this past August 31. PNP Deputy Chief for Administration, Deputy Director General Emilito Sarmiento explained that only the notice of award has been signed by the Chief PNP as the contract is yet to be signed. Notice to proceed would be the next step, followed by the approval from the U.S. Congress before the firearms could finally be delivered.
Yung sinasabi ni Congressman Angelo Palmones na meron na hong dumating diyang ilan, no? 28,000. I doubt ho. I doubt. Kasi dapat ho yan, after ho nung pirmahan, notice to proceed, that's the only time na ipaprocess ho yung papel nila ron sa U.S. Congress.
And as DILG Undersecretary Rico Puno is being lambasted concerning its alleged involvement in the purchase of almost 60,000 firearms for the police organization, the controversial DILG official seemed to have found an ally in the identity of the Police Bids and Awards Committee of the PNP. General Sarmiento, who is the chairman of the Bids and Awards, stressed that Yusek Puno has no any business in the procurement process and not in any way had influenced them during the entire process.
He can always sit down doon sa amin, pero not as voting member, not as regular member. At wala rin ho siyang, wala ho siyang dinidikta sa amin. Wala ho siyang dinidikta sa amin. Yun ho ang, gusto ko lang linawin, very independent ho yung back natin. Basta alam ho namin tama, yun ho ang aming ginagawa.
The PNP likewise firmly stated that nothing anomalous transpired during the entire bidding process as they expressed readiness to face any investigating body. They admitted that they are somehow offended with the latest controversy they are currently into.
Ang sa amin lang ho, we would like to appeal, not only ho lang siguro kay Congressman Palmones, but also siguro sa ating lahat. Sana wag nyo naman ho kami tratuhin guilty. Pakinggan nyo ho muna kami. Kasi nababaliktad eh. Dapat pakinggan muna yung side namin bago kami kung ano nung iakusa sa amin kasi napakasakit din.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.